Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's session, let us discuss some important MCQs on the topic material control. This is a part of cost and works accounting. So without wasting time, let's start the session. So the first MCQ is dash is the first and the most important element of cost. Options are expenses, labor or material. So correct answer is option C, material. Material is the first and the most important element of cost. Next question. Question number 2. The term dash refers to all commodities that are consumed in the process of production, assemble and fabric parts. Options are labor, material, expenses. So the correct answer is material. Material refers to all the commodities that are consumed in the process of production, assembling and so on. So the option B is the correct answer. Question number 3. The term dash is defined as a system that assures the provision of the required quantity of material of the required quality at the required time in the minimum amount of capital. The options are material control, labor control or option C, marketing control. The correct answer is material control is defined as a system that assures the provision of required quantity of material in required quality and in required time. Question number 4. Dash purchase procedure should be installed to assure that the purchases are made at favorable price. Options are marginal, option B standard, option C joint. So the correct answer is option B, standard. Next question. The term dash may be defined as the systematic control over the procurement of material. Options are option A, material control, option B, purchase control or option C, sale control. The correct answer is purchase control. The correct answers of these MCQs are highlighted as red. So the answer for question number 5 is purchase control. Question number 6. The organization of the purchase department depends on the dash of the organization and its likely quantum of purchase. Options are size, number of managers, option C, number of workers. So the correct answer is option A, size. So the organization of purchase department depends on the size of the organization. Question number 7. Dash is the head of the purchase department. It is very easy to answer this question. Obviously, the head of the purchase department will be the purchase manager. Option B is the answer. Question number 8. Purchase dash is to be prepared to know what to buy, what should be the quantity, quality and price. So the options are requisition, option B order, option C budget. So the correct answer is option C, budget. Purchase budget is to be prepared to know what to buy, what should be the quantity, quality and the price. So answer is option C, budget. Next question. One of the objective of dash is to avoid under and overstocking of material. Options are as follows. Option A, scientific purchasing, option B, purchasing, option C, sale control. Answer is highlighted in red, that is scientific purchasing is to avoid under and overstocking of material. Next question. The dash must maintain a proper classified records of all purchases, use and stock of material. Options are costing officer, option B purchase manager, or option C store clerk. Correct answer is option B. Purchase manager must maintain a proper records of all purchase, use and stock of material. So he is responsible, purchase manager is responsible to keep all the records of purchase. Next question. The receipt of dash is the first step in the purchase procedure. Options are invoice, option B material requisition, or option C purchase requisition. So purchase requisition is the receipt. It is the first step in purchase procedure. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. The price dash is a contractual document which authorizes the supplier to supply the material. Options are note, requisition, or order. So the purchase order is a contractual document which authorizes the supplier to supply the material. Answer is order. Question number 13. Dash forms the basic of entry to the store ledger. Options are purchase order, goods received note, or purchase requisition. So goods received note forms the basic of entries to the store ledger. Option B is the correct answer. Next, the stock level at which the storekeeper intends purchase requisition is known as danger level, maximum stock level, or reorder level. So the answer is reorder level. 15. Dash is a buffer stock level or safety stock level under which the stock should not be allowed to fall. Options are average stock level, maximum stock level, or minimum stock level. Correct answer is minimum stock level is a buffer stock level or safety stock level under which the stock should not be allowed to fall. The option C is the correct answer. Next, the formula maximum composition, the formula maximum consumption multiply maximum reorder period is used to compute. The correct answer is reorder level. So the formula maximum consumption multiply maximum reorder period is used to compute reorder level. Next, the average stock level is dash unit if the maximum stock level is 2475 unit and minimum stock level is 855 units. So what will be the average stock level unit? Options are 1565, option B 1665, or option C 1465. The correct answer is 1665. Question number 18. The optimum level of inventory is popularly referred to be as. Options are minimum stock level, option B reorder stock level, or economic order quantity. So the correct answer is economic order quantity. So optimum level of inventory is popularly referred to as economic order quantity. Next, second last question. If the formula of economic order quantity, the alphabet O stands for, so the O stands for, in the formula of economic order quantity, the alphabet O stands for. Options are ordering level, ordering cost, or option C ordering and carrying cost. So O stands for ordering cost. Option B is the correct answer. Now last question, question number 20. Economic order quantity is the tool for controlling labor, expenses or inventory. So economic order quantity is the tool for controlling inventory. Inventory is the correct answer. So I hope you have understood all the 20 important MCQs on the topic material control. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.